and welcome to the AI Bot Trade team. Today, we have some incredible news to share with you that could potentially change the way you approach futures trading. Do you wish there was a way to trade on Binance futures or Bybit without having to constantly monitor the markets, make entry trades manually, or worry about missing out on profit opportunities? Well, we've got the solution for you. Introducing our AI bot, specially designed to seamlessly connect with Binance futures and Bybit platforms. With this innovative tool, all you need to do is connect your trading account using API keys, and we'll guide you through the process, which takes just a couple of minutes. It's that easy. In just 2 minutes, you can connect our AI bot to your trading account, and from there, you can sit back, relax, and let the bot do the hard work for you. Yes, you heard that right. You can sleep peacefully, go about your daily routine, or whatever else you enjoy while our AI bot takes care of your trading. No more need for manual entries and monitoring the markets around the clock. Our AI bot is designed to make precise and profitable trades for you. It can automatically enter positions and secure profits, all without you lifting a finger. As a result, you'll see your trading capital steadily grow day by day, without any active involvement on your part. It's like having a dedicated trader working for you 24/7. And the best part? You can get your hands on our AI bot for just
$29.
and that's it. No hidden fees, no additional charges. It's a one-time purchase that gives you lifetime access to our bot. So if you're ready to boost your futures trading profits and make your life easier, just visit our Telegram, link in description, and get your AI bot today. Imagine the peace of mind, knowing that your trading is in the hands of cutting-edge AI technology. It's your ticket to effortless and profitable futures trading. Thank you for tuning in today. And remember, with AI Bot Trade, your futures trading just got a whole lot smarter. Don't miss out on this opportunity to change the way you trade. Get your AI bot now and start profiting without the hassle.